Biochar, in its simplest sense, it's charcoal. When you heat wood in very low oxygen environments, it bakes into charcoal. And a really interesting thing happens to the material that makes up that wood. The cellulose and lignin gets converted into sheets of a carbon material called graphene. And graphene has a cellular structure that's very difficult for microbes to break into and utilize. So a piece of wood that's down on the ground will rot over time and decompose. And the organisms that are breaking that down are breathing oxygen like we do and exhaling carbon dioxide like we do. So eventually that piece of wood, as it decomposes, turns into carbon dioxide that, as we now know, is contributing to climate change. It's a greenhouse gas. And so in order to keep that carbon from going back into the atmosphere, if we pyrolyze it, if we cook it in the absence of oxygen, it turns into graphene, which remains in the soil for centuries.